Welcome to Get Glimpse channel. DaVinci Resolve, especially its free version, is the industry standard for professional color grading. While it might seem intimidating at first due to its depth and its node-based workflow, its dedicated color page offers unparalleled power and flexibility once you grasp the basics. This guide will demystify DaVinci Resolve's color grading for beginners, taking you from fundamental corrections to creating cinematic looks. Let's start by understanding DaVinci Resolve's color page and nodes. The color page here. Once you have edited your video on the edit page, click on the color page icon. This is at the bottom of the interface. This one which looks like color wheel here. This page is divided into several key areas. We have the viewer, which is your main video preview. We also have the nodes panel, which is here at the top right. This is the heart of Resolve's color grading. We have the scopes panel, bottom right here. This is essential for objective analysis of your image. We have the tools or palettes, which is here at the middle left, where you access all your color correction and grading tools. Now we also have gallery, which is here, stores still images of your grades, and we have power grades for quick application and comparison. Let's get to setting up for success. This is the color management. This is the very first step, especially if you shot in a flat or log profile. We have the project settings, which is crucial. Go to file here and then click on project settings. Now navigate to color management. We have color sans set to DaVinci YRGB color managed, which simplifies your workflow. We have the timeline color space. Set this to your working color space. Output color space, match your display, usually Rec 709 Gamma 2.4, and then save. We now have some basic color correction, which is the primaries. This is about achieving a neutral balanced image. Always do this first. Select your primary correction node. We have the color wheels, which are primary wheels palette. This is here at the bottom left. We have lift or shadows. This adjusts the darkest parts. Drag the wheel away from the center to add a color tint or adjust the slider below for overall brightness. We have gamma, which is mid-tones, adjusts the middle range for tones. This is crucial for overall image brightness and perceived color. We have gain, which is highlights, adjusts the brightest parts. We have offset, which is global, adjusts the entire image brightness and color tint. Use the sliders first. For basic correction, focus on the sliders beneath each wheel for luminance, that is brightness adjustments. We have the lift slider, drag left to crush blacks, that is darken shadows, right to lift them. We have gamma slider, adjust overall image brightness, gain slider, drag left to dim highlights, right to brighten. Watch your Luma waveform, that is here. Once luminance is good, drag the circles within the wheels to remove any color casts. If RGB parade shows too much red in shadows, drag lift wheels towards cyan. If highlights are too yellow, drag gain wheel towards blue. Let's get to temperature and tint, which is primary bars or wheels. Fine-tune white balance with it. Temp left for blue, that is cool, right for orange, which is actually warm. Tint left for green, right for magenta. Eyedropper, click the eyedropper here next to the temp or tint sliders and click on something neutral gray or white in your image. We have the contrast and pivot as well. For contrast, this increases or decreases separation between lights and darks. Pivot shifts the center point of the contrast adjustment. This is useful for fine tuning. We have saturation as well. Adjust overall color intensity, just don't overdo it. Now let's get to creative color grading, which is the cinematic look. Once your image is neutral, you can apply a style. Create a new node here, e.g. node 3 or 4. LUTs, that is look up tables. Create LUTs located here in the LUTs panel, which is just here at the top left. These are stylistic presets. Applying a LUT, drag the LUT from the LUTs panel onto your current node. Adjusting strength, go to the inspector. This is here at the top right. Right click on the LUT and adjust its blend mode or opacity, or add a gain node before it to control its intensity. We have some common cinematic looks: teal and orange, muted tones, warm golds, full blues, film emulation. We also have curves palette, which is for more precise control. Custom curves, click on the curves palette here under color wheels. We have Luma versus Luma, which is a master curve equivalent to an S curve for contrast. Click points on the diagonal line and drag. We also have RGB curves, which is independent curves for red, green, and blue channels. We also have hue versus saturation. Select a specific color, e.g. green, from a tree and adjust its saturation. Hue versus luma, adjust the brightness of a specific color. Hue versus hue, and change a specific color to another, e.g. make greens more teal. We also have luma versus saturation. Desaturate colors in shadows or highlights. Saturation versus saturation, control how saturated colors become. DaVinci Resolve's color page is incredibly powerful. Start with these basics, practice consistently, and watch any more tutorials from experienced colorists to unlock its full potential. You'll be amazed at how quickly you can transform your footage. Yeah, that's all about it. Thank you for watching. If this video was helpful, then please leave a like and subscribe to my channel for more videos like this.